Hi folks and welcome to the Speedistevie YouTube channel. Here's a video produced by our sister channel My Dream Car News. Enjoy!
Hi, it's time for another video from My Dream Car News. Start dreaming. Enjoy! In this video we are in Daytona Beach, Florida, Speed City, USA. It's Truck Meet 2020 time. This is when hundreds of hyped up trucks get together for their annual meet. Billed as the world's largest lifted truck show, there was certainly some wild trucks on view. Our correspondent, Rosier, was there to enjoy the fun. Perhaps some of these trucks are your dream cars? Hope you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe to My Dream Car News now. It's the largest truck show in the world. Join over 35,000 spectators, hundreds of vendors, burnout pit, live entertainment and more than 5,000 custom trucks from around the country for a weekend of fun in beautiful Daytona Beach, Florida. Get up close and personal with the biggest truck builds around, and get a chance to connect with the personalities behind the monster machines. Well, you'll just have to make do with these great pics of some of the trucks which were there. Perhaps this montage will whet your appetite to go along in person in 2021. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to My Dream Car News now. Thanks for watching this My Dream Car News video. Please subscribe now and pass the word around.
That's it for another Speedistevie video, this time linked with our My Dream Car News channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to both channels now.